take a look at this Buick here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Buick Wildcat, two-door hardtop or hardtop coupe. 430 V8 underneath the hood, 4-barrel carb. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 400 to be exact. Of course, a Buick. So this one's nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front grille, headlight surrounds, chrome up front. Also equipped with a power seat, which is functioning, as well as power windows. And it's going to come with this 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price. And that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So I call this kind of a medium rose metallic. You can see all the still pictures. Check the underside out, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube, and you can call us to inquire about that warranty protection plan out to 10 years. 507-386-1726. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. See, it's pretty free of any nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a small one here or there, but overall that passenger side looks very nice. White top, painted. Interior appears to be original, and this would be a pearl interior. Get around to the driver's side there. I'll show you a little bit of wear on the seat over there, but is the original color for sure. So it was a 425 trim code, so that would be pearl. And it is a true Wildcat. You can tell that from the model number, style number on the data tag, and you can see a still picture of that. And with the rest of them, it'll be the VIN and the data tag or call tag. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Come around, look at the rear bumper. That does show a little wear in a few spots, as well as chrome around the taillights, but still be a great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take out and have a little fun. Also remember is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Want somebody to come take a look at this car. Can't see it yourself or make it in person due to distance or maybe time. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with the walk-around video like this and all the pictures that are taken. And of course, at the end, you'll have kind of a little virtual drive in this car and do the video of it driving, going down the road, so you can kind of get a feel for what it would be like to ride in this car. Seat belts intact, front and rear. Do have aftermarket stereo. Speakers on the rear deck. You can see power window switches there, and I have had them go up and down. As you can see now, they're all down. Power seat, and that functions every way it should. Very stock looking dash. I've had the wipers working, had the AM radio working. There is an audio box 8-track player underneath the dash. I have not had a chance to play around with that at all. All right, let's go ahead. Start this up soon here, Ron.
Son of a state lawmaker who died by suicide last summer.
There you can hear the radio working.
Over nude photo.
And like I said, wipers worked. Odometer reads 92,889. Can't confirm or deny if that's original miles, just due to the fact once the car is so old, does not stay with the title. It is marked exempt. Do have interior light switch right here. You can see that. There you go. Rear defrost also. Top of the dash looks good. Wanted to show you that vinyl seat over here. You can see where it's kind of separating a little bit, just where the seam is. Of course, as far as the seat belt, seems like a lot of them there. You do have your over-the-shoulder belt as well as your lap belt, so that's why there's 2 receiver ends there. Other than that, the seat looks pretty good. A little bit of wear down by the power switches. Hey, listen to this. A little rumble coming out of that Buick. Sounds good. kicking on and off. See, it's blow cool. Has been converted up here too, you can see. So it is the 134. Battery disconnect down here. In case you want to store it or in between cruises. Sounds good. Pretty stock looking, let's put it that way. Stick around for that little driving video too at the end of this. 1969 Buick Skylark, 1969 Buick Wildcat, 2-door hardtop, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Buick Wildcat. This car is a 2-door. We have an automatic on the column. Our turn signal indicators are working well. This car started up great, idled nicely. There's a nice throaty exhaust sound. Looks like the steering wheel may be tilted a little to the left. It does not affect performance at all. Mostly warning lights in this car. The fuel gauge is reading just under half and 55 miles an hour on the speedometer.
True. Royce just did it.
Radio is working. Air conditioning is blowing cool air. I wouldn't say it's cold, but we are getting cool air out of the air conditioning system. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Excellent power steering on this big Buick. Very good power brakes as well. Factory vinyl bench in this car. Throttle is very responsive. That's nice. Corners well. Corners as it should. Very nice condition car. The odometer showing 92,888 miles currently. It seems in really good condition. You definitely want to take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.